Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, you've done it. You've taken that brilliant idea, that spark of creativity, and turned it into a real, living, breathing online shop. Welcome to the world of Shopify. It's a bit mad, isn't it? One minute you're sketching logos on a napkin, the next you're staring at a dashboard full of settings and options. It can feel like you've been handed the keys to a spaceship, but nobody's given you the manual. You've got your products listed, your theme looks sharp. But now comes the big question. How do you get people to actually buy something? Don't you worry, you're not alone in this. The truth is, building a successful store is a journey, not a sprint. It's about taking small, smart steps. Think of them as your digital shop assistants working around the clock. They help turn a casual browser into a loyal customer and make every visitor's experience better. It's about working smarter. Ready? Let's get into it and start turning those clicks into customers. It's going to be brilliant. Right, let's be honest, we all know sales are important. It's the money that comes in, pays the bills, and lets you reinvest in your idea. Every single sale is a vote of confidence. The first few pushes are the hardest, but once it starts rolling, it gets easier. More sales mean more stock, maybe at better prices, and a bit to spend on marketing. It's a positive cycle. More sales mean more data. You see what's popular and who your customers are and where they come from. Use evidence to build a brand that truly connects. Skyrocketing your sales isn't just money, it's a sustainable, resilient business and the freedom to keep doing what you love. Every tool we're about to discuss is about taking control of your growth. That's why this matters so much. It's everything. Now, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Shopify App Store. Imagine your basic Shopify store is a brand new smartphone. It works perfectly straight out of the box. What makes a smartphone truly powerful? The apps. The App Store is filled with small programs that plug into your store and give it new powers. Need to add customer reviews? Want to email someone who left items in their cart? There's an app for that. You find an app, click Add App, and follow a few simple instructions. You don't need hundreds. In fact, that can slow you down. You just need a handful of the right ones. We'll look at apps for marketing, improving customer experience, boosting average order value, and understanding your data. Think of it as assembling an elite team of digital employees. Each app has a job. Together, they work tirelessly, even while you sleep. Let's start with the absolute basics. If you do nothing else, do this. Social media is great, but you don't own your followers. Your email and SMS list, however, is yours. A great place to start is with Klaviyo. It's powerful, yet beginner-friendly. First, set up a pop-up offering a small discount, like 10% off, in exchange for an email. It's a fair exchange. Then create a 3 to 5 email welcome series. First delivers their discount code, next tells your brand story, and a third showcases bestsellers. Set an abandoned cart flow to send a gentle reminder an hour or two later, showing the items they left. It's not pushy, it's helpful, and it lifts revenue without extra effort after setup. This one tool alone is a complete game changer. Have you seen a ticking sale clock or only 3 left? That's urgency. Use it ethically. An easy way is a simple countdown banner app for genuine promos. Run a weekend free shipping sale with a ticking banner. Clear deadlines motivate action. Customize colors and copy so it looks integrated, not spammy. Add subtle proof like Sarah from London just bought this. Show real stock levels. Never fake scarcity. It damages trust. For a creative brand, count down to a 24-hour collab launch, then through the sale to build hype and FOMO. Make the purchase feel like an event, perfect for engaging younger audiences. All right, you've made a sale? Can you lift the order value a bit? Upselling is the upgrade. Cross-selling is the complement, like add fries with a burger. The post-purchase moment is magic. Customize your thank you page with a one-time offer. Show a perfect companion with one-click ad, no re-entering details. Frictionless for them, extra profit for you. Offer the next routine step or a logical companion product. Collect birthdays, quick surveys, even reviews right on the thank you page. Small lifts on every order compound into massive gains over the year. In real life, you choose the busy place. Online, that's social proof. People trust people more than slogans. Text is good. Photo reviews are incredible. Seeing real people in real settings builds instant connection and trust. Automate review requests and offer a small incentive for photos. Display galleries across your site and subtle pop-ups to reinforce trust. For a new store, this trust layer turns skeptics into confident buyers and builds community. Happy customers attract more customers. In-store, you ask a person. Online, live chat is your friendly assistant. A small widget opens a conversation instantly, answers sizing, shipping, and material questions in seconds. That immediate help is often the final push to buy. Use bots for FAQs and proactive help, like offering shipping info when someone lingers. Combine bots with live chat for coverage and care. Chat transcripts reveal exactly what to clarify on your product pages. Great support builds trust and repeat business. A whole toolbox: Klaviyo, countdowns, upsells, photo reviews, and live chat. It might feel like a lot. Start simple. Pick one, install it, follow the setup, let it run for a few weeks, then review results. Look at conversions, AOV, and repeat purchases. If something underperforms, tweak and test again. You're nimble and personal, that's your edge. So go on, take the first one. You've got this.